Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Korea here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix an error that you get inside of Blender using Solemn's tools for 5M chains. Let's go ahead and get right to it. All right, so most of you guys have probably been making your chains, and when you try to export it, you get an error message of something along the lines like this has blank number of vertices not assigned to a proper vertex group. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to fix that today. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select everything, select your entire chain. By the way, don't mind the texture, I just have it there because I needed a placeholder texture. All right, so basically I'm going to show you guys the error. So when you go and use the method I taught you, select your chain, file, export, and you go to export it, you think everything's good, and then you get hit with this message right here. Path blank has 92 vertices not weighted to any vertex group. These vertices will be weighted to the root bone, which may cause parts to float in game. And so when you put this chain in game, some parts of the chain are going to start shaking and floating and whatever. And you don't want that. You really don't want that. So today I'll be showing you guys how to fix that exact issue. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your export, and then you're going to want to minimize that. You're going to want to delete the export, and then you're going to want to click on your chain, go to edit mode, press A to select all, go to select all by trait, and then do ungroup vertices. Now, when you do the ungroup vertices, it's going to show you exactly what's not grouped to a bone. So you're going to want to go to wireframe to get like a better view, if anything. And once you found it, as you can tell, for me, it's right here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to here to your data, and whatever it is, you're going to want to select and assign it to that group. So for me, it's a ring. So you're going to want to assign it to the scale L finger 20. And just like that, it's now assigned, and you can check by going to weight paint, and it turned red. So now that you got that issue fixed, you can re-export it. File, export, boom. And it's going to export with no issues. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you fix that error in Blender. Super easy, super fast. If you guys need help, you can join my Discord down below, and you can get all access to my free assets. And if I did help you guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.